Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your personal hotspot password or how to change your Wi-Fi password. And by Wi-Fi, I mean the internet connection that you can share with your iPhone to other devices near to you. So to get started, you just need to click on settings, and after settings you go directly and click on personal hotspot. And as you can see here, near to WLAN password, as you can see here, this is the password of your hotspot, and you can change it to any other password that you want, any password. And after changing your password, you just need to click on done. And like that, you changed your password, and anyone who want to connect to your personal hotspot, he needs to have this new password and use it instead of the old one. And of course, to turn on your hotspot, you just need to activate it like this. So this was our video for today. I hope that you like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.